So the Home Depot is the #1 home improvement retailer in the world. The Home Depot retail experience is the best experience they could have anywhere in home improvement. You know, we train our associates. Certainly our culture is driven around the whole customer service component, and we certainly want that to be what the customer takes away, that they couldn't go anywhere else and have the kind of customer experience that they can have at the Home Depot.
We have to serve our customers in the way that they want to be served. So as part of that, we're doing a lot of things for our online site. We're doing mobile, allowing people to order on any channel and be fulfilled through any other channel. So retail is changing, and we have to change with it.
In our stores, we have a device that we call the First Phone that is not only a push-to-talk walkie-talkie, but it's also a 3-digit extension off the store's phone switch. Plus, it also has 18 line of business apps available on it to be able to do things like manage inventory, receive inventory, mark down inventory, understand what products look like not only in your store where they're located, but if they're available in sister stores, as also available online. The devices are also mobile point of sale enabled for us to be able to do things like line busting on big busy days.
First Phone is a tool we use on a regular basis. This is the first thing you grab after you clock in. Now between this one and the old First Phone, one much lighter, much more slimline, so it's easier to carry around. Much faster, very responsive. And being a capacitive screen, it's a lot more akin to what we carry in our practice every day with our personal phones. So one of the big features is being able to go to the internet. With the legacy phones, we used to have the First Phone in one hand, your personal phone in the other hand, and you're constantly switching back, which is a terrible juggle. With this new one, if we need to find something for a customer or even just need to research something specific about a project, you can just go to the consumer app or the internet itself and look up that information.
We've used AirWatch as our partner for deploying code to mobile devices for 5 years. We've been partners for a long time.
When it was time to go deploy tens of thousands of devices across all of our US stores, we turned to AirWatch and used their sideload staging product to be able to get the devices enrolled in a single step using our VAR, loaded most all of the software at the staging facility, and then shipped the devices to the stores using dozens of installers across the country. Those installers were able to open up the boxes, touch one button, and get the device ready to use for the applications that were needed in that store in just a few minutes. That enabled us to be able to deploy dozens of stores a week, ultimately leading up to hundreds of stores a week, so that we could get tens of thousands of devices rolled out over a period of just a few months.
We hope that the partnership with AirWatch continues to evolve. One of the things that we've always had great luck with is when we need something, we identify a function that isn't in the product, we talk to the product managers and the leadership team, and we get those things very quickly turned around. The interconnected world that we live in is going to continue to drive new ways of interacting with our customers, and we have to be ready for that, and mobile helps us do that. By having a device that allows our associates to provide information, provide how-to, provide product knowledge at the point of interaction with the customer, I think is going to be a huge differentiator for us as we strive to be the best we can at customer service, because we know that is what people are looking for. That's what differentiates Home Depot from other retailers.